In this video, you'll learn how to create an account on Slack. By the end of this tutorial, you will be set up and ready to start using Slack for your communication needs. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in wl.google.com and press the enter key. This action will take you to the Google homepage where you can search for Slack. Next, in the Google search box, type the word Slack and hit the enter key again. You will see a list of search results related to Slack, including its official website and other relevant links. After that, look through the search results and click on the link that says Slack, AI work platform and productivity tools. Slack. This link will direct you to the Slack homepage where you can find options for signing in or creating an account. Once you are on the Slack homepage, locate and click on the button that says sign in. This will lead you to the sign in page, which is designed for users who already have an account. Now, on the sign in page, look for the prompt that says new to Slack and click on it. This will provide you with options to create a new account. Next, click on the button labeled create an account. After you click this, you will be redirected to a page that asks for your email address to start the account creation process. On this new page, you will see a message that prompts you to enter your email. Type your email address in the provided field and then click on the button that says continue. Following this, you will be presented with an option to sign up using your Google account. Click on the button that says sign in with Google to proceed using your Google credentials. After clicking this button, you may be directed to a Google sign-in page. Here, select your Google account by clicking on your email address. This will allow Slack to access your Google account information for setup. Once you select your email, you'll be taken back to Slack, where you may need to click on the button labeled continue to finalize the account creation process. This step will complete the setup of your new Slack account. At this point, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your Slack account has been created successfully. You are now ready to start using Slack for your team communications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.